Hey there! Anastasia Sagar here, and I teach Russian on italki.com. Today I'm gonna talk about 3 Russian slang words. Sometimes I think about teaching people Russian slang, but the very next moment I change my mind. Just because slang is not just a part of the language, but that's a brand new language itself. There are hundreds of words which even I do not understand. But to be honest, Russian slang is not that important and varies like English one. But however, see my words of the day. The first one is гуглить. Гуглить. What do you think it means? Guess. No way. Alright, for those who are still not getting it, it means to Google. Гуглить. That's a Russian word borrowed from English with Russian pronunciation and Russian ending, which is quite a common phenomenon in Russian, of course. Since the verbs in Russian always or almost always have perfective pairs, the perfective pair for this one is погуглить with по prefix. An example is «Я не знаю, что это такое, мне надо погуглить», which means I don't know what that is, I need to Google it. Second example is ништяк. Ништяк has 2 meanings. This word can be both noun and adverb. When this one is used as a noun, it means something delicious, which is usually about some buns, chocolates, pies, cakes, cupcakes, all that sweet, delicious stuff. And when it's used an adverb, it's a sort of very, very expressive way to say great, awesome. Let me show you examples. Дорогой, когда пойдешь домой, купи, пожалуйста, ништяков, which means, dear, when you go home, please buy something delicious. So in this case, ништяк is used as a noun. Next example. Как дела? Ништяк. How are you? Great, awesome. In this sentence, the word ништяк is used as an adverb. The last word for today is сухарь. Сухарь generally means dry bread or biscuit. But why not call, for example, a person dry biscuit? Of course, in this context, it won't be dry biscuit, but a person with no feelings and emotions, which I believe in English you call something like cold fish, right? Due to some gender prejudice and stereotypes, this word is lucky for women, is most often applied to men. In Russian language, I would say we never call women сухарь. However, see my example. Он сухарь. Я сказала ему, что люблю его, а он даже не ответил. He's a cold fish. I told him I love him and he didn't even respond. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the italki channel for more tips on learning Russian. And also you can take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description.